Hi, in front of me I have GoPro MAX, and I'm gonna show you how to perform the soft reset on this device. To perform the soft reset, basically what we need to do is to turn off our device and then turn it back on. And to do it, let's just press this button right here on the side, the power button right here on the left side of our device. Press it and hold it. The device will turn off. Let's wait a few seconds and then turn it back on by pressing and holding the power button again. Like this. And that's how you perform the soft reset on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.